Okay, so a lot of people have questions about how to put on a torque converter. And of course the torque converter has these keys that go into the oil drive here. Okay, so here's what you do. You don't try to line it up as it goes on like a tire, okay? You put it on like this, and then you hold it right here up and spin. Okay, it takes a little time to get on there. There we go. Took a minute, but we got it. Okay, so now how do you tell if it's on there? So it could very well go a couple steps in, you know. So what you do is take your fingers, try to put your fingers between the case and the torque converter. If you cannot do it, it's installed correctly. If you can, keep trying.